Who's the deal? Sounds good, eh?
Yeah, it's not bad.
G'day cunts, Fry family here again. Just came back from a run with a 2014 S7. It's a big 4-door, 4-seater Audi twin turbo V8 dual clutch. I didn't know much about it, but I was talking to the owner. They're normally like 309 kilowatts at the fly. He's got a tune on it, taken like a muffler and stuff out, a couple of things. And he reckons it's about 350 at the fly. But you're talking 2 tons, this thing's a little bit lighter as well, but dual clutch, all drive Quattro. He was telling me that it's a real Quattro, not like the RS3s that have that L deck or whatever is diff in, L deck. We'll have a few runs, we'll have some dig runs. He's keen for some dig runs. I don't mind, I'm gonna get pumped off the line, but it's gonna be good fun. We're gonna do a shoot, he's a photographer, so I'll link him up in some descriptions and whatever, so you can go see his work because he's very talented. But we'll go out and have a few runs after we do the videos and see how it goes. I have my predictions, which is going to be off the line. I'll get pumped, maybe or maybe not, depending on how shit my launch is. I might reel him in. On the rolls though, I reckon I'll have him. The only way he might get me is the gear changes, manual versus dual clutch, so not even an auto. He was telling me that the RS7s and RS6s have got the conventional torque converter autos because they handle the power more and they've obviously got more power. But he's got the dual clutch, so dual clutch, very nice. See how we go though, should be fun.
Slow down to a 40, Rob. Three, two, one, go.
Count it in.
3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hang on a sec.
Three, two, one, go. Yeah. Wow.
60 roll?
Yeah, not a problem.
You call it in.
Drop down, drop down. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, 60 roll? Yeah, not a problem. You call it in. Yep.
Is he going 60 or is he going 70?
Drop down, drop down. 3, 2, 1, go. Ready, set, go. This is so much better for me. What? Nah, it still counts, mate. W is a W. From 80. 3, 2, 1, go. Go from 80. 3, 2, 1, go. 100. Three, two, one, go. Go 60. 3, 2, 1, go. That was well run.
Alright, we're back. We did our photo shoot and rolling photos and videos and whatever that he needed done. And we had a few runs. There's a few that he had his mate as passenger, and then we swapped over and I had his mate as passenger just to even out the weight a little bit. Pretty much exactly how I thought it was going to go. If you have a look, we did a fair few runs from 70, 80, did one run from 100, and then a couple runs from 50, 60 as well. Some of them I was starting first, some in second. Same as the 70, 80, second, sometimes third. So we had a few runs, few digs, few rolls, exactly how I thought. Off the dig, got absolutely mauled by his all-wheel drive. When he was able to launch, absolutely annihilated me, exactly how I would have thought. On the rolls, pretty much exactly how I thought it was going to go, about the same distance I thought it would have been. Maybe he was a little bit closer, a little bit quicker than I thought, but I have seen him on the road, like with mates, we've been out cruising before, so I've seen how quick it is on the roll. It was good fun, good runs, nothing but fun times, guys. Don't get too upset. We had some dig races for all you Audi RS3 fanboys. You know, we're just waiting for me to get smashed. Well done. I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. Like, subscribe, click the whatever and whatever everyone else says. So when I do some more videos, you'll see it. I guess I'll share it around anyway, so. But I do have a 2012 M5 coming up. My mate has picked it up not long ago and he's very keen to run. He's very confident that he's going to smoke me with his twin turbos. The first of the twin turbo V8s in the M5s, big luxurious thing. So that will be a good fun run. I know I've technically got him on the power, but we'll see how he goes. He's automatic and German horsepower versus American Aussie horsepower. So it'll be good fun. See you next Tuesday. Cheers.